Shaq and his team dive into the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the game, trading like sharks, no room for shame. Strategy so sharp, like a knife in the night. Every move calculated, every risk we fight. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to fade, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We're never cold. Through the chaos, through the pain, we rise above. We never wait. Each trade a victory, each also lessons. In the matrix, we're never at a loss. From the depths to the peaks, we ascend. With every win, we feel our power bend. Traded like pros in the eye of a storm. Our success is our greatest form. The market's our playground. We play the game with every trade. Our confidence remains no matter the risk. We take it on in the matrix. We're never alone. In the matrix, we're the kings of the trade, riding high. Our wealth's never to pay, sharp as a blade. Our confidence is bold in the market. We never cold. In the matrix, we're the king.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, that song is a vibe. That song is a vibe. Shout out to Will. Definitely a vibe, man. Definitely a vibe. Good way to start the morning. In the matrix. I don't know all the words though. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Here we are. Welcome to Friday. Payday for some, and for some it's payroll. I don't know which one you want to do, but payday or payroll, it's one of the two. To me, for today, it's payroll for me. So I already got that all done, and now we're here. Mr. Max, what's up? Good morning. You know, it's a 50-50 shot, buy or sell. I don't know which one, brother. Sell USD JPY. Possibly. That pair must be going wild with all the news, Japanese news, the yen, all of it. Hold, buy or sell, bro. Right now, I tried selling it short a little bit earlier while I was at Starbucks because I tried catching it. I would have been a winner, but I got stopped out because of the volatility. So took a quick loss on MGC, and last night I scalped gold short on the separate Express account. So, but news is about to drop in 2 minutes, so we're gonna sit tight, everybody. We're gonna sit tight. Last night I scalped Oh, dang. My voice is double. Buy XAU USD. That's what they're saying in the other live. Bye, everybody. My desk is a little bit of a mess, and it kind of bothers me, but good morning. Yesterday was a bit of a roller coaster, but hey, listen. Yesterday is yesterday, and I do my best to try to live in the present, because that's all we've got. All we have is the right here and the right now. We can't do anything about the future. We can't do anything about the past. Only thing we have any sense of control over is the present. Let me tell you what. That is the hardest thing. To try and be present. You know what I mean? We have the worries of life. We got bills to pay. We have this and that going on. Problems left and right. Somehow we just have to stay present, right? Somehow we have to be in the moment as much as possible. That's the game, man. That is the game. For now, you let PPI hit. Let's see what happens. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom. Let's see. Picking up. Let's take a look at NQ. Actually, we didn't even draw on our charts yet. Let's do that right quick. All right, we go on the 1 hour on gold. Continued the sell-off overnight. Cray. Really crazy sell-off. Question is, do we continue selling off, right, at market open, or do we rebound? So that's a 1 hour supply. This is a 1 hour supply, and then a 1 hour demand. We're in currently here, but I don't want to draw that out. I'm gonna draw this one out. By golly gee, so many 1 hour demands. We're just breaking through. This is the other one, which we tapped that one too. Goodness gracious. Sensei. Angelo, what's up, bro? What's up, my friend? Okay, technically speaking, longs are in play because we broke these swing highs down in this 5-minute demand right here. Longs are technically in play here. So that being said, I know it's a counter trend trade, but gonna take a look at potential longs right over here. Don Denanad, love you, Mishak. I don't know who you are, bro, but I love you too, man. I love you too. Much love. Lucas, good morning. Buenos dias, mi amigo. I'm Filipino, I'm not Mexican, but I work with a lot of Mexican crews and companies. I'm trying to learn my Spanish. I'm trying to brush up on my Spanish, you know? Poquito español. Un poquito español. All right, this 5-minute demand, I'm I'm going to be looking at buys. Again, we're in a 1 hour demand, and then on the 5 minute, higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And price has broken both of these structures. If you look at this here, we broke above it and then we're rejecting. So let's see if we get filled. Let's see if we get price to come down into our area to buy long on gold. And just a friendly reminder, the volatility is absolutely insane. So actually, I'm reminding myself, volatility is absolutely insane. So I'm going to go down to 1 or 2 micros only, not the 5 that I'm usually in. Muy bien, aprenda nuestra hermosa lengua. Okay, something about a tongue. Lengua, that's a tongue. Bien, aprenda nuestra hermosa. Hermosa, is that wife or sister? Something. Sorry, bro. I'm going to have to Google it. I hope it's PG. Very good. Learn our beautiful language. Oh, sorry. I thought it was wife hermosa. All right, I will. Very good. Learn our beautiful language. It is beautiful. Very beautiful. Very it like rolls off your tongue. Filipino is kind of more rough. They speak a little bit more like it's like kind of rough when they talk. But Spanish guy, whenever I'm with the Mexican crew, bro, when they're going at it, I'm like listening. I'm the camera guy, so like I'm doing social media, and we joke in our ways that we can joke, but like I can tell they're like making fun of each other, or they're saying like curse words, and I'm like, like we're all just laughing. But I really am genuinely trying to learn Spanish. Thank God that you know how to trade, because your Spanish is a little bad. It's okay, bro. You can say really bad. You don't have to say little. You can say your Spanish is really bad. But Filipinos have the same type of, have some of the similar language or similar words, because the Spaniards obviously took over the Philippines. So zapatos, la puerta, la mesa, bolígrafo, some of that stuff is the same as Filipino. So it don't look like we're gonna get filled. We could potentially take a risky short here in this 5 minute supply. Potentially see if it pulls down to our area to go long. Cuenda Shack. Dang it, man. Everyone speaks Spanish? Yeah, bro. I'm from Spain. Oh. I think you told me that, Angelo. Dude, the mechanics are up early today. I hear them downstairs. Something boosted. Cuenda. Is that what's up? Like, Cuenda? Bro, the guy's revving at 6 in the morning, bro. But I guess he's a mechanic, so. I do, what a wave. So like, what's up? Is that right? This is gold. I'm going to try scalping this short on the next 1 minute. Down into our demand area. Let's see if we get it. Super high risk. Super high risk. I want to see it check up first. We're not going to get the check up. I like to see the next 1 minute candle push up a little bit, go up, and then sell off. This is gold.
Order filled.
All right, let's take a stab, bro. Quick scalp. If I get stopped, I get stopped.
Order filled.
Boom. This is scalping. A lot of profit taking on gold. 100%. I think it'll go up. Yeah, I mean, over time, but This is a very good scalping market. Not going to lie, guys. Very good scalping market.
Order filled.
This is how I scalped. I'm going to get stopped out again. This is how I scalped before on the first take profits, first funded accounts that I had. This is how I scalped. And I'm totally fine taking losses. I'm just part of it, and this is not my usual trading style. So take this all with a grain of salt, everybody.
Order filled.
Oh, what the? Oh, I forgot to move it up. No. It's all good. It's all good. I know you guys are probably like, whoa, what is Shaq doing? He's doing something he's not used to doing, or he's not usually doing. It's cause, bro, I gotta keep you guys on your feet. You know what I mean? $4,500. It's pretty. 4,500. That's a long way down. It could. There are people who think this is a discount right now. You know what I mean? No. If I would have moved my stop up, it would have been fine. My stop, I forgot to actually let go of the button, and my stop was supposed to be here. So when you're scalping, you really have to just accept going in and out. You know what I mean? And scalping is a very, scalping is very emotional. You have to really just accept kind of where things are. And reset, because things can just change in a matter of seconds. So yeah, this is my scalping style. Very tight stops. Serge, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We're looking for longs down here. Don't know if we're gonna get it, but
Order rejected.
oh frick,
Order filled. Order filled.
oh my gosh, you freaking Shaq.
Order filled.
All right. I accidentally put a buy. See if we get the momentum short, and if we don't, I'm gonna just take my finger off the trigger finger. You make money scalping? Yeah, I have. Right now I'm down, obviously, but I have before. Kind of ranging right now, but I'm hoping for the flush. Yep, we're trapped in a very rangy moment here. We might not get the short that we were looking for. I'm just tapping into this 5-minute supply with the 13 EMA, thinking it's going to go short, but I don't think we're going to get it now.
Order filled.
There it goes. I know you guys are like, too stressful to do it full time. I don't do it full time. I mostly swing trade, but scalping is pretty profitable for me. Too stressful. Yeah, scalping is not something you want to do unless you have like a foundational setup to take. And I do have a foundational setup to take. Yesterday I was down $1,000 and we made it back, but right now it's just choppy. Don't know why. It's just kind of not following through either way. But I'm totally fine with that. Also, I think I'm feeling a little pressured because I have to leave early again today. So subconsciously I'm like, I want to get this done. So I think that's kind of where my head's at. Just saying that out loud. This is not what I do full time, just so you guys know. So whenever I have to leave early, obviously the amount of time I have is lessened. Bruh, are you kidding me, man? That increases probability also of risk. To make money scalping small moves, you need like 80% win rate. Yeah, very true. But I mean, if you manage your risk quite a bit, like for instance, if I just kind of took it short one more time on the trend line break, sized in, I'd probably, break even if I got to my profit target. So that's like risking $200 to make 7 or 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's a 3R trade. That's scalping, I look for the next swing low to go long or short, whatever the case is.
Order filled.
No. Where's the Momo, man? I need that momentum.
Order filled.
Come on. Come on. Come on, give us the break, bro. Come on and flush. Sometimes it gets so sketched once we get close to the swing low.
Order filled.
All right. Just in case I took that off, because I don't know if it's going to reject and push up. but I was hoping for it to get down to our take profit area. It might pull up and then flush down into our take profit, but you know, I'd rather be safe than sorry. But there you go. That's scalping. That's a kind of essentially how I scalp. I've never really done that live before. I usually do that on my own time, outside of that's what I did with this Express account last night. And then also we were on the Discord, and I did that on the Discord last night. So the scalping is very, very like you're just following the trend. Without this demand here, I might, and I usually don't enter in like, I don't enter in here. I don't put a limit sell order up here for scalping. I will want the candle to flush. So for instance, this candle, I would put a stop limit order or stop order here for buys. And if it goes up, sweet, I'd want it to flush, and then I'd get in. And then, you know, my stops are always above that 1 minute candle. And if I get stopped out, it's fine. It's risk management. You just kind of wait. So I lost 3 trades here in front of you guys. That was $700 total loss. And then this one I added in, and we were going into momentum. And, you know, I stopped out with some profit just to be down for the day. So this kind of like market where it's not ranging, it's going in a direction. You can manage your risk pretty well, and then just go with the flow. So essentially, you know, this whole mess here can get you stopped out every single time, and that's fine. But once you're in momentum like we just were, if I would have just not, you know, stopped out here, we would have hit take profit and maybe made $200 or $300, right? And then you wait, you know, you wait again. It's like, okay, are we moving? Are we short? You know, look at the 5 minute, kind of get a bias of what you think's happening. Wait for some confirmation, and then boom. And I take back getting a bias. I'm just looking at the price. So right now we're in a 5 minute demand. So I'm thinking of price going long based on our setup. So technically speaking, we want to look for longs here, even though it feels like stupid because we're going against the trend. But essentially, we'd be wanting to go long. So I'm going to go long.
Order filled.
Geez, two minis are just, our 2 micros are still crazy. 2 micros is just insane still. So this is an actual legitimate like 5 minute setup that we take. But I'm going to be very like wary of trying to hold for longer trades long. And look for areas to take profit that are a bit quicker, because I'm not looking for long extended moves. So this 5 minute candle right here, I'm going to look to potentially take profit if we get there. I usually like to add in, but with this right now, I don't think I want to add in. I see who loses trades are because they don't trail the wins. I saw someone up 1,500 and lost a trade. I mean, to each their own, man. Sometimes trailing isn't like some of the high-end traders don't trail. Some do. You know, we don't. It really depends. All that really matters is if they're profitable. Because if they don't trail and they get stopped out, but they really let their winners win, that's what matters. You know what I mean? That's the real. All right, so we're in a sketchy. It's just really sketchy. Hard to trade our usual setup. I should have gone down to 1 micro because my stops are so tight. But you know, just gonna risk it. Let it risk. I'll add in a micro if we flip.
Order filled.
All right, now my stops are going to be here. Really need to see the push higher. If we don't, it might come down to stop out, and then I'd have to re-enter in again, is the unfortunate part. I don't want to open this up at all. It's too risky for me to move my stops down here. I'd rather get stopped out on the move. This last minute candle can come down, flush out, and then go up, which is the risk that we're going to take. I'm hoping for it to push forward. "22 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. Oh, here we go. It's about to happen. 16 seconds left. 9, 8, 7. I'd like to see this 1 minute candle close up here. Hopes and dreams. Set up. For sure, bro. For sure, for sure. For sure, for sure. Bro, leave. It's pre-market. I've taken plenty of pre-market setups. Man, this is the sucky part. It stops out and reverses. I'll have to potentially look to go in again. But now, if it reverses going our way, then I'll probably add in and just move my stop up. It's gonna be super risky to move my stop up, but it's the name of the game. "14 seconds left. We're in imminent danger, but totally fine."
Order filled.
for us to be in a place of ease, feeling a little bit better, we want the 13 EMA to be grabbed on the 1 minute. So I'm kind of hyper scalping, you know, adding into my trade, which I've done before, and the risk is I get stopped out and then I have to re-enter in long, which I'm fine with doing. We got 1 more minute left on this 5-minute candle. We'd really want to see it push up. We'd really want to see this push through. I'm going to go ahead and move this to break even. I'm looking to take profit here if we get there. I'm gonna hold until if we get there or not. We're still in danger. We can be at break even on the trade. We just have to let it play out. We did get a nice push, but we have to see this continued momentum. Price can, this 1 minute candle can come all the way down, flush out, and stop us out. So
Order filled.
I call that done for the day, everybody. What's up? I'm done for the day. I got a long day ahead of me. I got to drive 2 hours north of Sedona. I got calls to make. I got deals to close. I got things to do. This thing can run to oblivion, and it don't matter to me, guys. We locked in another green day on 4 TopStep accounts. GG's. Done. I mean, this thing could run. I'll probably feel a little bit of FOMO, but it is what it is. It is what it is. We can lock in. We need 1 more full day. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. That would have been 1,000 right there. This would be like 2,000 right there. I'm gonna go. No. No. I told you I'm gonna feel FOMO, but it's okay. You gotta just accept the FOMO. Okay, we're in a short market right now. Like we're going short. So I'm taking profits when I think I should. You know what I mean? GG's to you guys. If you're still long on that gold trade, good job, guys. Honestly, solid work. What a play. Nice work scalping. We added into the trade. We managed our stop loss. We lifted it up, went to break even, waited for take profit. Locked in $642 for the day. Super happy with that. And we had all these people, oh, you're going long or you're this and that. People don't know anything about the people who want to be right in trading are usually not profitable. Okay? I'm not going to go on a rant again. But you have to let the market speak to you. So I went short, which most people are going to accept short because we're going short, right? And then with our 5-minute break of structure set up, we go long, and sometimes it's a counter trend trade, but we don't have to we don't need to look for a lot of freaking points on gold right now because it's moving so much. So I still have my other Express account that I could trade. So essentially, if we get a 5-minute candle close above this swing high, I would be looking to go long somewhere down here. I mean, ideally, the A++ would be down here. but we need to see this 5-minute candle lock in below here, lock in above here. So that being said, let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. It looks like it's closing really strong. It's got to close on the 13 EMA too to be very bullish. And then we close above this swing high. And then I would look to go long somewhere down here. Maybe a second leg. Yeah, 100%. I will be looking for longs down here. Beautiful trade, bro. Thanks, man. Angel, you real one, bro. You steady stay in here, bro. Appreciate you. Don't forget to smack that like button. It would mean so much to me if you can smash it, like punch it in the face. Punch that like button in the face. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We have fun here every single day. Well, we try to, because sometimes I can't go live. If you're not a part of the Discord, join the Discord. It's completely free. We're in there every day chatting up. We're gonna do a movie night. We're gonna watch one of the 4 financial movies. We got The Big Short, the GameStop movie. There's 4 movies in there. Put a vote in there. Join the Discord, and yeah, just had to put that out there. Smash that like button. That's why they go, bro. Stop calling me the GOAT, bro. What platform am I trading on? This is TopStep. TopStep. What's going on, Shaq and chat? What's up, Impervious? What's up, bro? I took full TP at equal highs and at 15 minutes. That took partials at the 2-minute fair value gap. 250 for the day. Nice work, bro. 100% nice work. Yeah, we got a 15-minute supply zone that we're tapping now, which I don't look at 15-minute supply zones. But just because you said it, I went ahead and took a look at it. But I'm gonna look to go long if we come back down somewhere down here. So based on this break of structure, we are valid to look for longs somewhere in this general area. It might pull back to this 5-minute supply or demand and go long, or it might come down here, or it might not come back and just continue higher. You know what I mean? That's the risk that we take. So yeah. No Wolf of Wall Street, bro. He's using TopStep and Lucid. Lucid, I'm gonna buy Lucid's accounts this weekend. I'll do that. Retrace is probably going to happen. Would be nice to see the retracement, but you know, sometimes it doesn't, man. Sometimes, like right now, sometimes it's just gonna shoot higher and higher, you know. Inflation is up, gonna drop at NYC open. True, very true. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. I haven't looked at that. I'm gonna put my alerts up for gold here to look at it, and put on my boom. All right, we're gonna go to the 1 hour like we usually do. We're gonna draw out our supply and demand zones. Okay, guys. So we have 1 hour demand right over Chia. Do you have a course for learning? I do not, my friend. I have free content in the Discord. I also will be creating some like YouTube videos on setup and stuff. Everything is free for now. I will say everything is free for now. Some of the people that I learned from, Doyle Exchange and Carmine Rosado, I paid for their courses. And you know, it was a few $100. Very much worth it because it taught me everything that I know. And then I kind of added my own flair and taste to what they have, and results into what we have right now. So that is 1 hour demand, and then there is this 1 hour supply I'd like to look at here. We zoom down to the 5-minute, and it looks like on the 5-minute we have a break of structure to go short, but I don't believe we're in a 1 hour supply. Oh yeah, we are. So we are in a 1 hour supply on NQ. So technically speaking, you could look for shorts. So we have a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, and then we broke this lower high right here, and then people already came back and went short here. So we've continued the downtrend. Only difference is that we're in a 5-minute demand, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. And on my other screen, the EMAs on the 5-minute are right next to each other. So very, very tricky area to trade, which is why you see these like very like wiki indecision candles where price is kind of just not really going anywhere. So I wouldn't be trading NQ in this current moment. If I were to trade NQ, I would like to take a better, safer buy inside of this 1 hour demand. There is a 5-minute demand here, and then there is also a 5-minute demand here all the way at the bottom. So these two areas is where I'd look for going long. Potentially very risky short if you wanted to go short into demand, but at this moment, just very tricky to trade this area. So that is my NQ quick analysis for right now. I trade ICT and my strategy instantly worked. Nice, man. ICT is cool. We always make fun of ICT in the Discord, but I respect ICT. If it works for you, it works for you. Just don't be one of those guys that like impose their will that ICT is the only way when it's not. 3 red folders just happened. Oh, I see. Okay, so I forgot to kind of, oh no, wait, never mind. I only see the 1 red folder. Are you talking about the other countries? Because I only focus on the US red folders. We only had the 1. Yeah, ICT. Yeah. You a UK day trader? You a UK day trader? No, I'm in the US. I'm in the state of Arizona. But Shaq, it is the only way. It is the only way. Oh man. I am really not against. There's a guy, Jade FX, on YouTube. He's an ICT trader too, but the dude he has a $2 million payout from Apex. You can't fake that, but he's a lot more like, he doesn't scalp. He intraday trades, but it's like hours long, What do you think of the S&P 500 in this moment? Listen, overall, there is fear, uncertainty, and doubt overall. And this will be my way of giving you my macroeconomics. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. If I spelled uncertainty wrong, please don't make fun of me. Just tell me how to spell it. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Right now, there is fear, uncertainty, and doubt everywhere you look. Inflation is high. There's tariffs going on. There's rumors of wars. There's wars happening. The AI bubble is insane. Microsoft losing how much percentage they did on their earnings. We still have more earnings coming out, like Dylan explained to us yesterday. There's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market, which can cause selling, right? People want, whenever there's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, people flock to safe havens. Like the rich of the rich and the people who are investing, they're going to take their money out of the places and they're going to put into safe places. And right now, based on the way things are right now, people are going to consider a safe place is they're going to be as the bank account. They're going to count cash, holding cash as a safe place. Warren Buffett, if the most prolific investor of all time that we know of, Warren Buffett, the guy, Warren freaking Buffett, has gone almost cash. I think I read or heard somewhere it's like 80% of their holdings, they're all cash. So if the guy who preaches invest in the S&P 500 to get a 13 to 14%, return, or 12% return annually, historically speaking, has gone cash, he is seeing something that I don't see, right? Or maybe a lot of us don't see. But because he's gone cash, because he believes that cash is the safest right now, and B, that man is going to buy the dip. Well, he actually retired and someone else took his place. But that guy is going to buy the dip so hard. Whoever's over Berkshire Hathaway, he's going to buy the dip so hard. We're going to see somebody that's never bought the dip so hard. It's going to be beautiful. You'll never see how beautiful it is. Someone so prolific in investing, he's going to buy the dip so hard. It's going to be so beautiful. That's my best Trump impression. Will, don't clip that. Are you trading in gold? Yep, I took gold longs. Thanks, Fred. I took gold long, and now I'll potentially look long down here. Surge Trades, good morning. Sorry, I'm not looking at the horizontal live. FUD. So much FUD. FUD in the markets. And I like bear season, guys. Bear season is my favorite because it's like, for whatever reason, my mind just works better going short. Like, I don't know. It's just shorts just click in my brain. Come back down. Yeah, it might. I mean, we're not for sure going long yet, so this 5-minute candle isn't too promising to be going long. I might be wrong. It might keep going higher. But yeah. Very, very nice. Bro, that Trump impression was dead on. Thanks, man. As someone from the UK, I thought, dang, bro, sounds like Trump right now. It's because we were listening to him yesterday. You know, he's on the news. So I hear him all the time. What strategy, sir? Supply and demand with the breaker structure. You had a combo of Trump and English. An English Trump? That's funny, bro. 828 and 2 combines. Let's go. Let's go, Angelo. Freaking let's go, bro. Nice work. Do you dabble in option leaps? I used to trade options, not leaps per se, but I used to trade options back in the day. If I traded what I know now, I could probably do decently in options, but options with the theta and the gamma and the time decay and open interest volume on these things. Options contracts are made for the people who don't know what they're doing to lose their money like instantly, because options is crazy. If it's not going in your direction and you don't have the right expiration date on that contract, you don't lose the same amount of money. As time continues and you're not in the money and you're not going the right direction in your trade, that contract loses value and you start losing money instantly, more than what you planned on. There's no way to really know how much you're going to lose if you're trading, like you're just scalping options. And then vice versa. If you're in options and you're like trading the daily expirations or weekly expirations, I should say, and that thing moves in your direction, bro, you're making bank. You're making bank. What strategy? Be careful, market's about to open. Yes, thank you so much for the reminder. Got 20 minutes left. For me, my long plays are only the thing that clicks in my mind, 100%. And some people have that. Some people have, like Dylan was here. We were going over trades, and he's also the same way. He only sees things long. So my tip for you is to go down. If you're using TopStep or TradingView, you can go down here and you can invert the scale. So since I'm a short trader, I like to look at, I'd rather see shorts like this. So this is how I taught myself also. So take this as a training tool for you guys. See a breaker structure, very clear. It's the same breaker structure. And now that means we're going short up here. So I used to invert the scale so that I can see it short. So there you go. Yeah, it's almost like shorts are more violent, kind of like it plays off faster. Yeah, Ocean, you have some. There's a saying that I learned when I used to trade options. It's staircase up and elevator down. So whenever you go short, so look at the long. Okay, it's like on the 1 hour. It's like staircase, right? Okay, we're going on a staircase, and then when it's time to go short, bro, it's elevator down. So that's why shorts have such momentum. That's why I like going short, because there's just so much momentum in going short. Sometimes, not all the time. You saw this morning, we were getting caught. Yeah. I've made 3,921 going short, 800 long. Exactly, Fred. I think I'm probably the same. I'm curious as to where the day ends, as it is Friday. The day ends 2 o'clock my time, 4 p.m. EST. What strategy I use? Supply and demand and breaker structure. Abdul, it's buy high, sell low, right strategy? Yep. Agreed right now. It's buy high, sell low. Oh, well, actually, we're going long. I just made my money long this morning. So it really doesn't. If you're looking for higher time frame trades, then yeah, looking. If I was to trade the 1 hour right now, if I was a 1 hour trader, I would be looking for confirmation long. So for confirmation long, we'd see a 1 hour candle go up here and then come back down and then go like that. I don't have the patience to wait for hour candles to close. Hey, where'd my fear, uncertainty, and doubt go? Yay, there it is. It disappeared. Okay, there it is. I'm trying to keep up with everybody. Options and cryptos are where I lost most of my money, 100%, bro. Same here. I've lost so much money in crypto. Is TopStep good? Yeah, just from my personal experience, these accounts that I'm up 9,000 each on, well, not all of them. I will show you. I will show you proof that TopStep is good as long as you follow the rules. These are all the payouts that I have in the last 30 days. That's a good platform. That's a good prop firm. They're going to pay out, right? And there are a lot of prop firms to choose from, and I support two. And these are the two that are willing to support me because I'm a smaller trader, influencer, I should say. And both of them have verified payouts. Like I made sure to ask TX3 Funded, which the link is below, and Funded Hero. I asked them both, please provide payout proof, and they provided payout proof. So I trust them. They're making payouts, but TopStep 100% is a great thingamajig prop firm. You get burned so fast. 100%, bro. Crypto is so volatile. And also options, but it's also vice versa, right? It's like it's so much high risk, but there's also high reward. I just was on the wrong side, bro, can you please explain to me how your live express accounts work? Is that your own personal funds? No, this so the express accounts with TopStep, the markets are open. Oh, MGC is going so fast right now that they're it's freezing. So right now I'm up $4,966. That's actual live simulated funds, okay? With TopStep, if I wanted to, I could close out each of these accounts at $5,000 each and take the money. So that's 5 times 20 times 4, that's 20 grand. I can say, TopStep, I don't want to trade with you guys anymore, or I just want to close my accounts, and pull out $5,000 from each. If I want to keep the accounts, I can only pull 50% of the 4,000. Let's call it 5,000. I can only pull 50% of each account, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these accounts at roughly $4,900. I could only pull 50% on each of those accounts. So let's call it 5,000. That's 2,500 times 4 that I can pull for profits, and then keep the remaining balance in there and continue trading. It's all simulated. It's not real money. When you get to 5 payouts with TopStep, TopStep will then actually give you a live account with them with live funds, and the rules are a bit different, or the trading's a bit different. It's just one large account. And I believe I have one more payout to go before on these accounts. 996, 1, 2, 3, 4. So no, yeah, oh yeah, this is going to be my last payout with those 2 accounts that I've had from the beginning. And then they're potentially, if I'm good and they like my trading, they're going to review me and they're going to say, we're going to bring you to live. So that's how live works with TopStep. Watch out now, Shaq. Market about to open. Thank you, sir. Thank you. 5 more minutes. Thank you. Abdul, we trade supply and demand. I'm done for the week. Nice job, Angelo. Have you listened to my name in Shaq's song? No, dang it, I forgot. Sorry, Will. We're gonna listen to that. Hope everyone makes money today. See you on Monday. Enjoy the weekend. You too, Angelo. Take care, brother. See you Monday. There's a fair value gap on gold, sir. So probably sells. Potentially. I mean, there's fair value gaps on all time frames, and I don't genuinely look at fair value gaps, but we're looking at going long down here, which I'll draw that out here. I don't know if we're going to get that, at market open, but now that we broke, the problem is now we have this new high, right? Now we made a lower low, lower high, and then a higher high, potentially going long here, but the market's about to open. So if at market open, price races down here, like really strong, I will look to go long down here. So we shall see. I like shorts too. It's much easier for me. Yeah, same. It's the prop firm's money, not his own. Yep. Living room, thanks, mate. Yep. FOMC was very disappointing. Expected a rate cut. Yeah, I don't know, man. With things the way they are, if they keep, I think they're gonna keep holding rates. FOMC was disappointing. I said hi. What's up, Flo? Good morning. Hey, listen, if you haven't tapped the subscribe button and you've been with us and you watched a few lives, it means so much. There's always percentage based people who don't actually subscribe, and I don't know what that number is, so I'm gonna make some arbitrary number. 75% of you who watch my live streams don't hit the subscribe button. I just came up with that. Thanks, mate. FOMC is said hi. Which prop firm are you using TopStep? Gold is running 100%. It's going. Shaq is banking. For now I am, Jello. For now I am, my friend, and it's been nice so far, but at some point I'm going to get myself a red day, I'm waiting for it. He's using TopStep. Dylan is just sent into Discord. Gold is down 4.71%. Holy cannoli. That is huge. We need to check if we can keep trading gold, bro. I don't know if TopStep has a rule like that. And if they do, I think they would have stopped people from Lucas, thanks for the sub, bro. Appreciate it. Hey, appreciate that. Got another one? What's up, man? Thank you so much. Blah, blah. I'm so sorry. The name disappeared. Oh, I got to say your name. I want to read it. No. Hold on. It's about to pop up on my screen. I missed it. I'm going to say your name. Oh, I can't see your name. It's like halfway cut through. Sorry for whoever just subbed. I couldn't see your name. Did you just hear USDT became legit USAT? They need treasury companies as per the since I believe it's stable coins. I took your options play on Franklin Templeton. Big payout in right. Sounds, I don't know anything about that actually. I haven't been much in crypto, to be honest. They did before. They don't stop you. Oh, shoot. NAS is so choppy. Well, GC dropped 4%, silver 13% overnight. Hold up, I'm gonna go on Discord right now and check with TopStep. Um, Dylan, I see your message here in TopStep. Can GC be traded today if it dropped 4%? Well, I'll wait for you to get the answer because I don't want to retype it. NAS is so choppy. Let's go. Are you trading? Are you day trading? I am. What are you day trading? I'm trading gold and NQ. Appreciate all the subs. Last thing that I'm going to ask is if you'd like to support in a free way, tapping the like button helps us get the algorithm juices flowing and get over to the right people. But market's about to open here. 12 seconds. Stay tight and enjoy the ride and manage your risk and have fun. The government is going to use stablecoins to solve their currency problem. I'm finding what companies hold a choke point in the plan and betting on them. If I lose negative 2,000, but win in 30K. Psh, that's a good risk to reward, brother. That is a good risk to reward. Fred, what are you golly. Oh, Fred's painting services. Go look at Fred's painting services page, please, everybody, because you're going to be amazed at him scraping paint off a paintbrush and getting millions and millions of views. Anyone getting no data all here on TopStep? Bro, Dylan, no one's answering your question, which scares me. On TopStep. I'm gonna reply back to Dylan so I can keep up. I reply back to Dylan. They said the MNQ chart's not working. MNQ's working to me, bruh. Wait, what? The GC breaker is 5302 and we're at 5104. It's normal to have red days as long as your green days are much better than your red days. You're right. You got it, Shaq. Thanks, Cello. Appreciate it, man. Frickin' Fred. Thanks for the shout out, Mr. Shaq. Your biggest fan. Oh my gosh, Fred. Yeah, he's got, I forgot you have 2 pages. There's his Fred's painting services. That's the one you want to check out. All right, so the longs aren't going to look like they're playing out well. The trade that I lost short this morning, I was waiting for shorts up here. I never got there, so I tried shorting it here, but I couldn't catch it. I know someone just subbed. I want to miss it. I would potentially look at shorts up here. How come I can't see the freaking names when they sub? Something Mickey. I'm going to fix that later. Let me fix it right now. If the sub pops up across my face, it's because I just want to make sure I see it. So there you go. So if you haven't subbed yet, it'd mean a lot if you can hit the subscribe button so I can see where it goes. If it just happens to go across my face, I'm okay with that. Was potentially looking at shorts here.
Order filled. Order filled.
You subbed and unsubbed again. Thanks, man. I haven't heard it yet, so let's see what happens. I'm going to move my trade to break even.
Order filled.
All right, I'm locked out all day. Can we just jam out for a little bit? Because we just finished the week green. Yeah. GG's, everybody. GG's. I was a quick scalp. Impervious jamming. Let's go. You gotta enjoy it. You know what I mean? And then once you're done enjoying, you gotta come back right to reality, because you can lose this all tomorrow. Like I can lose this all Monday. I can go on tilt and just blow it all up. You know what I mean? But for right now, I'm locked out. It's Friday. I got a beautiful drive, 2-hour drive up to Sedona. Gonna meet with my clients, shoot some content, have some fun. So you just gotta like soak it up. You know what I mean? You gotta soak up the good vibes. But also, I keep stopping myself. Soak up the good vibes, but also know you can blow it all up tomorrow. I can go on tilt, lose it all tomorrow. Obviously, I'm gonna do my best not to do that, but I'm susceptible just like any other trader. So I was waiting for shorts up there this morning, and this 5-minute supply tapped it nicely. I'm just taking what's given to me. I mean, this thing can rip all the way back down, but right now with this crazy type of volatility, I'm just taking what's given to me. John, there. If you're looking at TopStep's account, let me pull it up right now. All right, this is TopStep's Discord, okay, guys. And this guy said, "Can we trade SL no circuit breaker?" Trenton, which is the dude. Oh wait, is this the real Trenton? I don't know. Maybe it's not. But he said yes. They're just liking it. I don't know if that's real or not. I don't know, man. If we can't trade it, it didn't say anything. I would go on Twitter, and I would have a heyday just telling them like, yo, that's messed up. Like, how come that's not being said? It should be an announcement. It should be something. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. Aga, what's up? Good morning. You have a beautiful trend line on the 1 minute right here. Definitely could see a nice sell-off here on this break of this trend line. So what we're gonna go do is, but if it ain't what it is, then what it were. What? But if it ain't what it is, then what it were. Bro, that is slick. I like it.
Order filled.
Okay, guys, we are short on a demo account. We are short on the demo account. Oh, dang, we're about to get stopped out. Brain buster, yes. Big brain buster. And Q trying to recover here. Very nice.
Order filled.
It is sketchy. They're not answering the question. Sorry guys, I'm on the Discord. Okay, someone said Mackie trades yes. But is he a part of TopStep? Trenton is typing right now. Let's see if he types back to me.
Order filled.
All right, well, someone said yes, so I'll take that as a yes, I guess.
Order filled.
Oh, dang it. I forgot that the demo account already. Dang it, I can't trade the demo account now. What's your username? Is Mackie Trades a admin? He is. He's an ambassador. Okay, we're good. We're good, guys. I don't know. Dylan, you got me all scared, bro. You got me all scared. We're good. What changed in your trading from year 1 to year 6? The last 2 to 3 months, the biggest shift in mind was the biggest. I can only say one big thing. Knowing thyself. I'm going to go back to wishy-washy stuff, but knowing myself, guys. Knowing why I go on tilt. Knowing why I'm getting greedy. Knowing why I couldn't handle losses. That's it. Knowing why I couldn't handle a loss is what helped me. So that answer is different for everybody. You know? Having a losing trade is different for everybody. And when I realized why I couldn't handle a loss, everything changed. I'm here watching but have to work more today, so just watching. All right, Moolah. What's up, Moolah? Welcome back. Dang it. We would have been good on this trade. What's going on here? We're trading, my friend. Well, I'm already done for the day. I love that you keep the VODs up. What's VODs, Impervious? I don't know what VODs is. Childhood trauma indicator, 100%. Childhood trauma indicator. Yes. You got to have that indicator set up. You got to know what the childhood trauma is so that you can handle losses better. I'm going to rewatch these until the concept sticks. Nice. Yeah, 100%. Basically, you know, I show my setup every single day and I explain it in the best way that I can. So what's your answer? I just answered you. Best thing to do, Impervious. Yep, Fred's already on that. Why couldn't you, if you don't mind, why couldn't I... Sorry, what changed your trading? Why couldn't I take a red day? Yes, a red day... Whenever I got a wrong trade, I made it a wrong thing. Like, whenever I had a red day or a red trade, it was a reflection of me as a person. Like, oh, I'm wrong. I'm bad. I'm the bad person here when it came to getting a red day. And that, for another day, has to do with all the things of how I grew up and how I was treated and whatnot. So when I realized that having a bad trade isn't a reflection of me as a bad person, that's when things started to shift for me. Because then I can handle a bad trade. Now, let me clarify. Just, I need to make this straight. There are bad trades and then there are good bad trades. Okay? A bad trade, a simply bad trade, is literally just jumping into the markets without a setup, without really much of a reason, and you're just hoping and guessing that price is going to go a certain way. And if you lose that trade, that's a bad trade. Okay. If you're taking a setup, for instance, earlier, this 5-minute demand that we drew out is a setup because it's a 1 hour demand. Also, there's a 5-minute demand. And then we also broke all of these last lower highs, right? With all this price action. So that's where we went long. That being said, if I would have lost this trade, that would have been a good bad trade or a good losing trade, and I would have been totally fine with the loss, and I can live with that, right? So you have to identify, one, why you can't handle a bad trade or a losing trade, and then two, if you have a losing trade and it's a good trade, understand that it's a good losing trade, and you actually can be happy about that because it's all probabilities. For instance, my win rate is only 44.83% based on taking the most amount of like actual setups that I take. I only have a win rate of 44.83%, but I'm profitable. That means more than 50% of the time I'm wrong, or I'm entering in too early, or I get stopped out and then it goes in my direction. So hopefully that answers your question. Video on demand because a red day ain't green. Ayo. That's right. Yeah. Oh man, I need to get one of those the sounds that goes boom-ts, and I'll put that in there. Said hi, what's up? What's up? So you trade trend line, what time frame? I don't solely rely on trend lines anymore. I used to. Trend lines are just added confluence for me. It's not a necessary confluence. It does help with confidence. Obviously, when we went long down here, I didn't draw the trend line, but when we went long down in this area, I could have drawn this trend line out like this, right? And it could have helped me have added confluence to stay in the trade. So it's not a reason for me to enter. It's just an added way for either sticking to the trade or taking the trade. So do you trade trend lines at what time frame? I trade 5 and 1 minute, and then the 1 hour for areas of interest. Jay, what's up, man? 44.83%. Yeah. What's with the robot emojis? Lucan, goat number 1. Thanks, man. Thanks for answering. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. If you haven't done so, would love to earn a subscription, a subscribe button push from you. I don't know if I said that right. Tap the subscribe button. It's a free way to support the channel. If you haven't joined the Discord, it's completely free. Discord is in the link below, down here, past the screen, past the trading screen. And then the Discord is in the description and also in the pinned comments, which is right over here at the top. You should be able to see that right over here. I gotta get that button too. Okay, Trenton has officially said. Guys, no restrictions currently. I'm going to post that in the chat so that everybody can see. In the Discord. I don't know. I like Mech and I call. I'm a loose butthole type of guy, not uptight. What? What are you talking about? Humor, man. It's all about the humor. Sorry, mechanical? I don't know. Just like mechanical. I'm a loose butthole type of guy. Not uptight. What the heck, bro? Sorrel, hi. How do you do trading when Larry Fink's Aladdin program is against you stealing your money? Trading gold, South Africa. Let me read that one more time. Hi. How do you do trading when Larry Fink's Aladdin program is against you stealing your money? Trading gold, South Africa. Against you stealing your money. I'm so sorry, man. I don't really understand. I apologize. I feel bad that I don't understand your question. If you can type it one more time in a different way, maybe I'll understand. Will, I got you. Will has a song for us, everybody.
My name is Shaq and I'm the best. Trading stocks is how I impress. Buying low and selling high. Watch my profits touch the sky. Numbers dance, they move so fast. Every trade is built to last. No regrets, just pure delight. Turning day into the night. I'm the king of this game.
No.
Jack's the name
No.
you should acclaim.
No.
Every deal I make is gold. Trading skills are sharp and bold.
Okay. Okay. I can't listen to it all, bro. I can't. I am so uncomfortable when it's saying I'm a king, bro, or something like that. I can't handle it, bro. I'm sorry. But it is a good, catchy song. It is a really good, catchy song. So thank you, Will. Thank you for that. Shout out to Will, guys. W for Will in the chat, please. That means so much to me. Will is one of the moderators, and he's been with us for a while now. He makes all this cool, fun AI content for us, and he moderates the Discord. So W is in the chat for Will. Will, appreciate you, brother. Yeah, Shaq's the king. Yeah, bro, y'all gotta stop with the king and the sensei stuff, bro. Cause no, Will, no, we're not doing that. I am not, guys. Humbly, I say that I'm not. Okay, guys, please. I feel uncomfortable because I'm definitely not. The odds? No, bro. No, chill with the daddy. Oh man. Yes, I saw it here. So technically speaking, we're looking at buys again in this area. I'm already locked out for the day, unfortunately. So, excuse me, Your Majesty, I know I had an idea. I had no idea. That is so funny. It's so awkward to call Your Majesty. Oh man, that is funny. Sensei Shaq. No. Y'all crazy, bro. Y'all crazy. I'm just the chubby Filipino Asian guy. That's what you should call me. Hashtag chubby Filipino Asian guy. NQ price action is not good right now. It's choppy. Not good. All right, so longs on gold is what I would potentially be looking at to take. But unfortunately, I am locked out for the day. Lord Shaq. Lord Farquaad. I don't know if you guys know that Shrek, but that's my favorite bad guy. And that's why I'm into chubby Filipino dudes. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? I feel uncomfortable right now. My lord, stop. Definitely not that, guys. Definitely not that. Oh man, you guys are hilarious. Are we trading gold? Yep, this is gold. Technically speaking, if I was able to trade the demo account, I'd do it right now. But I accidentally... Oh, maybe I can reset it. Hold on. Let me reset the... Don't do it, gold. Gold, don't do it. Don't leave me. Let me reset the demo account. No, why won't you let me reset it? Dang it, bro. It won't let me reset the... It won't let me reset the practice account. Sorry, y'all can't get in, but technically speaking, we'd be in on gold. Like I said, it's kind of hard area to get in, but I'd probably be in by now. Yeah, I would most likely be in because I usually put my entry like just above the supply zone because of these reasons, or the demand zones. And look at how crazy. Look, one mini contract, one mini, $500, $600, $1,000, $1,400, $1,500, $1,800, $2,000 move, $2,500. One mini contract, we could be at $2,500 out of for the day. Done. Cray, man. Someone get this guy crown. No. It's almost impossible to trade successfully on any platform because of the Aladdin program. So as soon as you enter a trade, it'll come for your money. Take the entry point down or taking your SL. I don't know if you're trying to sell a program by saying the Aladdin program, but it's not working for me, bro. Shaq, for real, you're a cool dude. I appreciate you not being all uptight and eesh. Blessed be your P&L. Blessed be your P&L, bro. That is what we're gonna make another shirt. We have another shirt that we're working on. It's gonna be not financial advice, so that I never have to keep saying on the stream not financial advice. So it's gonna be not FA. And now I'm gonna make another one that says "Blessed be your P&L," bro. That is freaking gold right there, bro. But increase the odds, bro. It's been fun. Yeah, I appreciate you. Come back again, man. Love to see you come back. We can chop it up again, bro. You're hilarious. Boom. Do you go live every day? I do try to go live every day. Some days I can't. Some days I can. But I do try to go live every day. Dang, it came back. It came back. Not good. It came back. Dang, one mini. $1,300 down. This, of course, is not like that if you play with any demo account. It's only it on a real account. No, not selling anything, looking for help. I don't know what the Aladdin program is, so I'm not gonna look it up. I'm not gonna do research on it. I don't know what that is, so sorry, I can't help you. No, I have heard of the Aladdin program, but don't know much about it for the depth of it. Do you know how to get gold ticker on Tradeovate? Yes, it would be GC. It should be just GC something. I haven't been on my Tradeovate account in a while, and I don't want to look at that live funds. I have $3,000 in there. I don't plan on trading. I have not heard of the Aladdin program from BlackRock. I'll have to do some research at some point, but right now, currently not. In the moment to do something like that. I will look it up later. I have to be on the road. Okay, well that demand failed. The demand, well, technically I'd be stopped out already one time. So if the next 2-3 minute candles come back up here, I would re-enter, but unfortunately I'm not. I'm already stopped out or logged out of the accounts. Yo, gold is continuing lower. By golly, G. That means our short earlier would have freaking paid bank, bro. We were in short up here. Ay caramba. Can you do a real count tomorrow? I'm not going to trade my live funds yet. I'm just going to keep working with prop firms. My mindset's fixed on prop firms right now, and I don't want to break the momentum. So all good. Have a good, nice day. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Have a good day. I really only trade MNQ and this dumb range, man. Yeah, MNQ. I looked at it earlier, bro. It's horrible. This is crazy price action. Not the cleanest right now, in my opinion. It broke high. Broke these swing highs. So based on our setup, I'd be looking for longs in the 5-minute demand area. And there's a few to look at, unfortunately. And I really don't ever know which one is going to be the one. All right, gold is definitely wanting to move short. So that's NQ. I know I'm not trading now, guys, because I'm locked out, but now it made a new lower low on the 5-minute. Right here, it broke this last swing low. So potentially looking at shorts in this 5-minute supply or this 5-minute supply would be the play. Gentlemen, and if there are any ladies, gentlemen and ladies, appreciate you watching. I'm going to cut it short today because I have to hit the road. Jumping and driving the Tesla. Got my old Tesla driving up there to Sedona. Draining the battery. Then I got to charge again. If you ever look and want to buy a Tesla, I do not recommend Teslas if you drive a lot. Or if you live in an apartment complex like I do. So if you live at home and you can charge every night, A++. And then if you don't have to drive as much, A++++. So increase the odds, bro. I better see you again. Appreciate you. Everybody else, appreciate you guys. Take care.